Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious vanilla eggnog Jell-O that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious Jell-O of eggnog, we need 2 vanilla Jell-Os, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened gelatin, milk, extract, color, and flavor of eggnog. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing and delicious homemade Jell-O. So let's get started. I want to start by first preparing the Jell-O. I am using Decadence. This is the brand that I really love. It really has such a delicious flavor. And I'm adding 2 packages. Every package calls for 4 cups of milk. And here I added 1 tablespoon of unsweetened gelatin, mixed it very well, incorporated very well. And then I added 3 cups of milk. I am going to take it to the stove. I am going to get it nice and hot. Once I see that it starts kind of bubbling, it's ready to remove. Here I want to prepare my mold. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil to a napkin, and now I'm ready to really grease all my mold. And here you could see that it started bubbling from the edges. It is time to remove. Before I add it, I'm adding another 3 cups of very cold milk and then adding the hot mixture. Incorporate it really good. You want to make sure that it's really incorporated. I'm going to add a splash of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and here the extract of the eggnog. The aroma, oh my gosh, just amazing. The combination of the vanilla paste and the eggnog extract, just perfection, made at home. Added directly into my mold. Of course, I am going to cover it with saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you back in 4 hours. After 4 hours, let's reveal how this amazing Jell-O is going to come out. I'm going to wet my palm so that I am able to release the edges and then release the center. Take your time when you're doing this step. You don't want to tear the Jell-O. You really want the Jell-O to come out perfect. And remember, when you grease your mold, your gel is going to come out amazing. Of course, on my plate, I'm going to add a little bit of water just in case I can center the Jell-O. I can move it around. It'll be nice and easy to move it around and put it right in the center of the plate. I am going to release it and let's reveal. Look how beautiful. All those little specks of the vanilla paste right on the bottom. They look amazing. The decoration, just perfection. Remember, when you bake or cook at home, everything comes out unique, delicious, and amazing. Of course, it doesn't need any decoration, but if you want to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream right in the center, go ahead. This Jell-O came out amazing. I can't wait to taste it. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to get a piece so that I really enjoy the creaminess, the texture of the Jell-O. Oh my gosh. This is a perfect way to end your day. An amazing homemade Jell-O made at home with lots of love. Look how gorgeous this looks. Of course, I am ready to dig in and show you the texture, how it looks, how you could pull it apart with your fork. Look at this. I am telling you, I can't wait to enjoy it with my beautiful family. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Jell-O. Vanilla eggnog Jell-O. This is a very delicious and creamy, amazing Jell-O. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. And the combination of the Jell-O, of the vanilla, and the extract of the eggnog, just perfection made at home. Mmm. Delicious. This is a perfect Jell-O to end your day, a perfect dessert. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing vanilla eggnog Jell-O. See you soon. Bye-bye.